What if I told you that just one simple exercise, done every day, could change your body, your confidence, and the way you see yourself in the mirror? 100 push-ups a day sounds intense, maybe even impossible, especially if you're busy, tired, or just getting started. But what actually happens to your body when you commit to this challenge? And is it really a good idea? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what changes to expect, what mistakes to avoid, and how to do this safely so it actually works for you. Hey, welcome back. I'm your certified fitness coach, and today we're breaking down one of the most popular fitness challenges out there, doing 100 push-ups every single day. This is not just hype or internet motivation. We're talking real results, real muscle changes, and real risks if you do it wrong. This video is perfect for beginners and intermediate levels. You don't need any equipment. You can do this at home, and I'll show you how to modify push-ups if 100 sounds overwhelming right now. We'll also talk about how to structure them, what muscles you're actually working, and whether this challenge alone is enough for full-body fitness. Make sure you stay until the end, because I'll also give you a smarter way to approach this challenge so you get stronger without burning out or getting injured. Before we talk results, let's get clear on what a push-up actually does. A proper push-up is a full-body movement. Yes, it targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, but it also works your core, glutes, and even your legs when done correctly. That's why push-ups are so powerful. Let's start with a quick warm-up mindset. If you're doing push-ups daily, warming up is non-negotiable. Spend a few minutes rolling your shoulders, moving your wrists, opening up your chest, and engaging your core. This prepares your joints and reduces strain, especially on your shoulders and elbows. Now, what happens in the first week of doing 100 push-ups a day? At first, you'll feel soreness. That's normal. Your chest and arms may feel tight, and your triceps might feel fatigued, even when you're not working out. This is your body adapting. For beginners, strength gains happen fast in the early days. You may notice you can do more push-ups in a row by the end of the week. That's neural adaptation, your muscles learning how to work together more efficiently. If 100 push-ups sounds impossible, here's the key. You don't have to do them all at once. Break them into sets, 10 sets of 10, 20 sets of 5. You can even spread them throughout the day. Knee push-ups, incline push-ups on a bench or wall, or slow negative push-ups all count. What matters is consistent efforts with good form. By weeks 2 and 3, visible changes start to happen. Your chest becomes firmer, your arms look more defined, your shoulders feel stronger and more stable. You may even notice better posture because your upper body muscles are working more regularly. Push-ups strengthen the muscles that help keep your shoulders back and your spine supported. Now, let's talk about the core. A lot of people overlook this, but if you're doing push-ups correctly, your core is working the entire time. You're holding a plank while pressing your body up and down. Over time, this improves core endurance and stability. You might feel tighter through your abs and lower back, especially if you actively brace your core during every rep. However, there's an important truth we need to address. Doing 100 push-ups a day does not train your lower body enough. Your legs, glutes, and cardiovascular system need more variety. That's why some people hit a plateau or feel imbalanced. Push-ups are incredibly powerful, but they're not a complete workout on their own. Let's also talk about fat loss. Push-ups burn calories, but 100 push-ups alone won't magically burn belly fat. Fat loss comes from overall activity, nutrition, and consistency. What push-ups do incredibly well is build muscle, and muscle increases your metabolism. So over time, combined with healthy habits, this challenge can absolutely support fat loss. Now let's discuss recovery. This is where many people mess up. Doing push-ups every day can lead to overuse injuries if you ignore pain. Soreness is okay. Sharp pain in the shoulders, elbows, or wrists is not. If you feel joint pain, reduce volume, change hand position, or take a rest day. Progress comes from smart consistency, not pushing through injury. For more advanced viewers, once 100 push-ups becomes easy, you can increase difficulty instead of just adding more reps. Slow tempo push-ups, pause push-ups, decline push-ups, or diamond push-ups all increase intensity without excessive volume. This keeps your muscles challenged and growing. Here's the real transformation that happens when you commit to 100 push-ups a day. It's not just physical, it's mental. You prove to yourself that you can show up daily even when you don't feel like it. That discipline carries over into everything else. Your confidence grows, your self-trust grows. You stop questioning whether you're capable because you're doing the work. Strength is built one rep at a time. Consistency beats motivation every single time. And when you stick with something simple and challenging like this, you create momentum that changes your lifestyle, not just your arms. As we wrap up, take a moment to stretch your chest, shoulders, and arms. Open up your hands, roll your wrists, and take a deep breath. Recovery matters just as much as effort. So, what happens if you do 100 push-ups a day? You get stronger, your upper body becomes more defined, your core gets more stable, your confidence increases. But the best results come when you listen to your body, use good form, and balance this challenge with other movements over time. Push-ups are a powerful tool. Use them wisely, and they can absolutely transform your fitness journey. If this video helped you understand the real impact of doing 100 push-ups a day, hit the like button. It really helps support the channel. Subscribe if you want more simple, effective fitness advice you can actually stick to. Turn on notifications so you never miss a workout or education video. Now, I want to hear from you. Comment below and tell me how many push-ups you can do right now, or if you've ever tried this challenge before. Also, check out the next video on the channel where I show a complete full-body routine to pair with push-ups for even better results. Keep showing up, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next workout.